I've said this before, AI is one of the most profound things we are working on humanity, as humanity. It's more profound than fire or electricity or any of the other bigger things we have worked on.
Have you ever wondered where all the AI hype is leading us? What's in store for the future? Consider our early days when we were building computers with only 20 words of memory. And now it's in our daily lives, including weather prediction, Google's voice recognition and search predictions, email spam filtering, and Siri and Apple phones. That's why understanding where we are on the path to AI is crucial in a world where technology is growing exponentially. Here are the 7 stages AI you must know to stay ahead. Stay tuned, as the last stage will shock you. Stage 1. Rule-based AI. Rule-based AI, or robotic process automation, is the first stage of AI in which the system can execute entire processes without the intervention of people. Consider a robotic vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is at the first stage of AI advancement. The AI has no memory or learning skills. It cannot remember previous actions, learn from mistakes, or adapt to new situations. Instead, it adheres to rigorous pre-programmed guidelines, such as turning when it comes across an obstruction and cleaning in straight lines. It can't grasp your preferences or the environment it's in. It functions essentially like a machine that can only execute fundamental commands without self-improvement or adaptation. The great thing about Stage 1 AI is that it is cost-effective and rapid, since it is the most basic level of artificial intelligence and the most prevalent. That is why mobile app development companies employ it. On the other hand, it necessitates excessive knowledge, domain experience, and some form of human participation. The process of developing rules for this system is sophisticated, time-consuming, and resource-intensive. Stage 2. Context awareness. Moving beyond rule-based AI, we uncover systems that can understand and maintain context. These AI systems, like your smartphone assistant, Siri, or Google Assistant, recall previous encounters and utilize the knowledge to shape future responses. If you ask who won yesterday's soccer game and then when their next match is, the algorithm recognizes that "there" refers to the soccer team from your previous inquiry. Robo-advisors are another type of artificial intelligence. These robo-advisors are already being utilized in finance to help people make sound investment decisions. In the future, we may see their software expand into new industries. They could use mean variance optimization to automate and optimize passive indexing plans. These systems are like teenagers in the early stages of AI growth, beginning to understand context but yet a long way from independent reasoning. Stage 3. Domain-specific. The next step is for AI to become a master in a given field. In contrast to context-aware and retention artificial intelligence, domain-specific experience seeks to not only attain, but also beyond human capacity. It may make far better decisions than its rivals since it has access to data. We notice its program in cancer research areas. The system was the first taught the rules and goals of winning, and then it taught itself how to play Go. The important thing to note here is that personalized assistance kept them from making unwise selections. In March 2016, AlphaGo defeated the 18-time world move champion Lee Sedol by 4 matches and won. Soon after AlphaGo's victory, Google released Alpha Proceed Zero, which can play Go without human aid. To develop strategies, it identified rules and reviewed tens of thousands of Go games. It defeated Alpha Proceed 3 times in a row by a staggering margin of 100 matches to 0. It was a tremendous step forward in the field of artificial intelligence. Stage 4. Reasoning. As we enter Stage 4, we begin to see AI systems starting to approximate human thinking and reasoning abilities. Unlike previous phases, these AI systems seek to imitate the human thought process rather than simply follow rules or retaining context. Reasoning and thinking AI systems can comprehend difficult concepts, solve unknown issues, and generate novel ideas. This is made feasible by machine learning and deep learning approaches, which allow the AI to learn from experience and improve its performance over time. For example, an AI system might read a novel, comprehend the plot, and even deduce the motivation of people based on their actions. It might also evaluate economic data, forecast market trends, and make investment recommendations. This is also true with ChatGPT, which shocked the entire world with how human-like its understanding and responses were. At this point, AI begins to resemble human intelligence more deeply, although it is still not equivalent to a human mind. It is more akin to a sophisticated instrument specialized in reasoning and thinking tasks. As fascinating as these AI systems are, we're just halfway there. The next step takes us into science fiction territory, with AI matching and even surpassing human intelligence. Stage 5. General Intelligence. As we reach the domain of artificial general intelligence, AGI, we enter a universe of AI that is primarily theoretical for the time being. Consider a robot that is as intelligent as the smartest humans we know. The robot can perform practically any task that a human can. It can learn to play musical instruments, comprehend and speak numerous languages fluently, excel in complex mathematics, and even write poetry or create art. Like a human, it can read books, absorb knowledge, and apply it to various activities. The ability of this robot to generalize its learning distinguishes it from earlier stages. In other words, once it has learned how to tackle a new problem in one area, it may use similar problem-solving skills in entirely different domains without having to be explicitly programmed for each assignment. It possesses intelligence that is not restricted to a single domain, but is adaptive across multiple domains, similar to a highly intelligent and versatile human being. This is what we mean by artificial general intelligence, or AGI, and it symbolizes a level of AI that approaches human-level capabilities in a variety of jobs. However, AGI is still a notion that has yet to be realized. It's the cutting edge of AI research, yet it's also where things get heated. Because what happens when AI matches human intelligence? Stage 6. Super AI. AI researchers have created systems that can learn from humans in games and do significantly better in various other areas. What comes next? The real challenge for AI experts is to create AI-powered systems that surpass humans in every category. As a person, conceiving something that is miles ahead of us, let alone producing it, is out of the question. That is where artificial superintelligence, ASI, comes in. It is a level of artificial intelligence that outperforms human cognitive abilities. This AI has the potential to solve issues that humans cannot, inventing in ways we cannot even comprehend. It has the ability to shed light on cosmic mysteries that are currently beyond our comprehension. However, the introduction of ASI raises a slew of ethical and safety concerns and fundamental questions about power, control, and the nature of intelligence and awareness. Stage 7. Singularity. Finally, we come across the AI Singularity. The AI Singularity, often known as the Singularity, is a possible future point in time when technological advancements become uncontrollable and irreversible, resulting in unanticipated changes in human civilization. This concept is most closely related to the introduction of artificial superintelligence, ASI. The term singularity was popularized in this scene by futurist Ray Kurzweil and is derived from physics, where the singularity describes a location, such as the center of a black hole, where familiar rules appear to break down. In the context of AI, the singularity is a point at which an ASI is not only smarter than humans, but also capable of constantly improving itself at a rate far above human potential. This self-improvement has the potential to generate an explosion of technological innovation. The singularity is frequently connected with extreme predictions, such as the abolition of humanity, the capability to upload human consciousness into a computer, and the possibility of erroneous societal change. Understanding that the singularity concept is highly theoretical and contentious is vital. Some experts believe it is a real possibility, while others believe it is science fiction. We simply cannot fathom what a true ASI might be like. Regardless of one's position on the probability of singularity, the rate of AI growth appears to be increasing, and we can anticipate regular discoveries that will shock our collective brains. However, we should not expect AI to advance smoothly through the 7 stages indicated above. Moving from thinking systems to AGI does not follow the same exponential evolution that we have come to expect in computer power, memory storage, and internet connection speeds. Massive discoveries in fields such as neurology, understanding consciousness, neural networks, and deep learning algorithms are necessary to reach our final 3 phases of AI. What is certain is that our world will undergo numerous fundamental alterations over the next 15 to 20 years as the 4th Industrial Revolution, fueled by smart machine, touches every nation, life, and sector on the planet. The important objective and task is to ensure that these advancements do not go unchecked and leave humanity obsolete. We must establish robust governance frameworks and a public voice to lead the development of AI in service of humankind, not in place of it. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. We really appreciate your support.